Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Sonata key fob battery. Start by finding the release latch and prying the case open gently with a flat tool. Remove the old CR2032 battery and note its orientation before discarding. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive side up and snap the case closed firmly. Test the buttons from a short distance to confirm proper operation and secure any loose covers. Begin by examining the seam of your Hyundai Sonata key fob and locating the small notch. Use a thin, flat screwdriver or pry tool in that notch and apply gentle twisting pressure until the halves separate. Move slowly and listen for the clips releasing, then lift the top half away. Keep any internal springs or small parts secure on your workspace so nothing gets lost during the battery swap. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple car tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading in tight spaces while you wait for parts or service, and its battery life means fewer interruptions. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. After opening the key fob, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery and note how it sits in the holder. Place the new CR2032 into position with the positive side facing up and press gently until it clicks into place. Reassemble the fob by aligning the halves and snapping them together securely. Finally, test the lock, unlock, and trunk buttons from a short distance to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.